Step into Mr. Tech's world, where old engines meet raw, unbridled power. Experience the strength and ingenuity of self-built machines. Join the adventure, uncover mechanical wonders that leave you in awe. For those serious about efficiency, this homemade horizontal log splitter is a prime example of mechanical ingenuity. Driven by the PTO shaft of a Kramer 450 Export S, it optimizes power transfer, ensuring maximum splitting force without excess energy waste. Designed for durability, this machine significantly reduces manual labor while increasing output, a must-have for professionals in the firewood industry. Growy X Power is the only fully automatic cross-cutting machine for 1 meter long wood, setting a new industry standard. Designed with a powerful hydraulic system and intelligent automation, it ensures precise, consistent, and efficient wood splitting while reducing labor costs. This is an essential investment for those looking to optimize productivity with minimal effort. From a technical perspective, this homemade wood splitter is quite effective given its DIY nature. The main limitation is the hydraulic system. A larger pump would increase cycle speed significantly. Additionally, the chain's current alignment is counterintuitive, which could impact long-term efficiency. However, for a home-built machine, it demonstrates solid engineering and practical usability. A well-designed wood splitter relies on a gearbox to enhance torque, ensuring efficient log splitting with minimal effort. By leveraging mechanical advantage, this DIY solution maximizes output while reducing strain, making it ideal for home users and professionals alike. Precision, power, and practicality all in one machine. Imagine transforming raw logs into neatly stacked firewood with minimal effort. This reliable processor, once powered by a tractor, now runs on electricity, making it both cost-effective and convenient. It's been through years of use, yet it still delivers outstanding performance. Whether you're a firewood business or a homeowner, this machine makes the job faster, easier, and surprisingly enjoyable.
I bought this Northern tool years ago. You use them all the time. Fits on a small solenoid.
Think about it. How many things in your life have lasted 30 years? This wood splitter has. It's been through thick and thin, cutting through mountains of logs, standing by its owner's side. It may not be as fast as before, but that's the charm, isn't it? It's living history, a working relic, a piece of craftsmanship that refuses to fade.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.
From a technical perspective, a bandsaw requires a motor with at least 9 horsepower to handle demanding cuts efficiently. Insufficient power results in inconsistent performance, excessive strain on components, and reduced blade longevity. Investing in a more powerful engine ensures precision, longevity, and overall better machine efficiency. One step, countless possibilities. The Holzomat transforms firewood processing into a seamless experience. Compact yet powerful, this cutting-edge solution is designed for efficiency, making wood cutting effortless and economical. Whether you're a small forestry business or an independent woodsman, Holzomat takes the hard work out of firewood production. Can you believe that in just a few days, you can process enough firewood for an entire year without breaking a sweat? The PW wood processor makes it a reality. With its smooth cutting and splitting system, you get not only speed, but also optimal efficiency. Plus, it can be powered by a tractor, giving you incredible flexibility. Splitting firewood with the Palex 35 is truly an impressive experience. One of the things I love most about the Palex 35 is the smart design of the saw blade lever. It's positioned parallel to the feeding table. This not only makes operation easier, but also allows you to harness the strength of your core muscles. A small detail, but one that makes a big difference. At first glance, the Rotomat 4L Pro from Kretzer Forsttechnik is a true game changer in the wood processing industry. Its robust and refined design makes a strong impression right away. This is not just an ordinary log saw, but a real innovation that enhances safety and efficiency. Through testing, the machine operates smoothly and cuts precisely, making wood processing easier than ever. I used to love woodworking, but as I got older, the effort became too much. Then I found West. The first time I used it, I was amazed. It was like slicing through butter. No more aching arms, no more exhaustion. Now I can spend hours crafting without feeling drained. West didn't just bring back my hobby, it brought back my passion. This DIY horizontal wood splitter is a remarkable blend of mechanical ingenuity and functional efficiency. Despite being homemade, it features a robust hydraulic system that delivers immense force, making wood splitting a seamless process. A true testament to how innovative engineering can turn simple concepts into highly effective solutions.
Clamp comes down, tells the saw that I got. Doesn't focus on when the saw comes out.
Wood processing just got a whole lot smarter. Imagine a machine so powerful that it transforms firewood production with absolute precision. Fully automated, PLC controlled, and built for maximum efficiency. This isn't just any wood processor. It's the future of firewood processing, minimizing waste, maximizing output, and delivering results faster than ever before. What's better than building a powerful machine? Building it with your father. This homemade bandsaw isn't just another DIY project. It's a bond in the making, a project that brings two generations together. And here's the kicker. It's safer than most homemade saws out there. Every bolt, every cut, every adjustment, it all adds up to something far more valuable than just a tool. I was excited to see the McAllister log splitter in action. 8 tons of pressure, 3,000 watts of power, and the promise of effortless wood splitting. But as I stood there, watching it chug along, a thought crept into my mind. Shouldn't this be faster? Maybe I expected too much, or maybe there's a way to push it beyond its limits. Let's find out. The Karhu log splitter eliminates wasted time and effort. With its hydraulic saw, logs up to 38 centimeters are split effortlessly, cutting down labor and boosting productivity. The 4-meter rotating conveyor and optimized control system ensure seamless workflow. Say goodbye to frustration. Carhu makes wood processing faster, safer, and more efficient. Dad's Log Splitter, the first ever Tempest tractor with a trailer, has been built. This is a masterpiece of engineering designed for optimal efficiency and convenience. With an intelligent chute system, it can effortlessly load a pallet box at each end. Whether you're prepping firewood for winter or handling large volumes of wood, this groundbreaking design saves time and effort, making log splitting smoother than ever. The first test of the screw shaft separator, and guess what? It's running like a dream with a 3 kilowatt motor. But wait, safety first. We've also installed an emergency switch to make sure everything stays under control. It's just a test model for now, but if it works this well already, imagine what's coming next. What if I told you my wood splitter runs on an old VW Rabbit diesel engine? Sounds crazy, right? It took me a year of trial and error, fine-tuning every detail. Now it's a game changer. No more backbreaking work, just pure diesel-powered efficiency. If you've ever struggled with splitting logs the hard way, trust me, you'd want to see this thing in action. What if cutting wood was as easy as making coffee? This automatic wood cutting machine prototype is designed for ultimate convenience. Lift the log, press one button, and let the machine do the rest. No complicated setup, no manual effort. It's smart, efficient, and built to save time. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this is the future of wood processing. Performance and ergonomics come together in this 30-inch log splitter, designed to integrate seamlessly with your skid steer. Built for strength and precision, it allows operators to split wood while remaining safely seated in the cab, reducing strain and increasing productivity. Crafted from durable materials with a powerful splitting mechanism, it ensures a fast, efficient, and convenient wood processing experience. The Bilk firewood processor stands out with its automated cutting, splitting, and conveyor system, ensuring maximum productivity with minimal effort. Designed for professionals and serious users, this machine optimizes log usage, reduces waste, and delivers consistent, high-quality firewood. A must-have for those in the industry. The Lane 1900 sawmill, equipped with a JD 3120 engine, represents the pinnacle of efficient lumber processing. Its automatic feeding mechanism eliminates manual inconsistencies, ensuring precision and uniformity in every cut. By minimizing operator effort while maximizing output, this system epitomizes practical engineering, where simplicity meets performance without compromise. Meet the JD 5515F homemade cone wood splitter, a game changer for small logs. With its sturdy, conical design, it makes splitting wood as easy as pushing a button. No more exhausting manual chopping. Whether for a cozy fireplace or a backyard BBQ, and welcome to Mr. Tech. Today we've got a bunch of wood-splitting tools that blend creativity with practicality, designed for ease of use, smoke-free, and super efficient. Let's dive into today's video and see what cool stuff we've got. For the first time, I witnessed a truly unique and meaningful invention, a horse walking on a treadmill. Its movement is stored in a flywheel, generating power to split wood, turning each step into a useful energy source. This innovation not only allows the horse to move naturally, but also helps protect the environment and reduce pollution. A smart, sustainable, and creative solution. Let's talk efficiency. What if you had a machine that could cut through wood like a knife through butter? Meet the powerhouse designed from a timber truck. Its massive saw and relentless power make even the toughest jobs look easy. Tell me, how much time would you save with a machine that never backs down?
Живлення від частот.
Every time you skip half a turn on this wood splitter, you're not just wasting time, you're increasing the risk of an accident. A poorly optimized blade means more force is required, leading to potential slips or mechanical stress. Upgrading the blade design isn't just about efficiency, it's about safety. Don't let a small flaw become a big problem.
Дуже гарно. Трошки сучкувати.
A DIY sawmill rolling on old car wheels, slicing through logs like butter. It's the kind of hands-on engineering that makes you stop and stare. The rhythmic sound of cutting wood, the smell of fresh sawdust in the air, it's addictive. Who needs a factory when you can build a powerhouse like this right where you need it?
Всем спасибо.
The accuracy and stability of this homemade saw are seriously impressive. DIY machines usually struggle with vibrations, uneven cuts, or mechanical issues. But this one goes beyond expectations. The level of automation shows careful calibration and smart design, proving a high level of precision and expertise. The conical wood splitter is the solution you've been looking for. It reduces labor, increases output, and eliminates the frustration of stuck logs. Designed for simplicity and efficiency, it transforms a time-consuming task into a seamless process. If firewood prep has been a hassle, it's time to upgrade. This homemade circular saw changes everything. Designed specifically for retirees, it's easy to use, safe, and turns woodworking into a peaceful pastime. No need to worry about complex machinery, just enjoy the satisfaction of crafting with your own hands. Designed for serious woodworkers, this log splitter combines steady power with smart engineering. The integrated log lifter ensures safe, hassle-free operation, making it ideal for handling large, heavy logs without risk. While it prioritizes control over speed, its robust construction guarantees long-term performance. What if I told you that a log splitter could make someone smile? Not just because it works well, but because of one small yet fascinating detail. This homemade machine, upgraded with a gear reducer, makes splitting firewood a breeze. With just a pull of the lever, you can watch each log split cleanly. No more sore arms or wasted time. A DIY wood splitter powered by springs, no electricity needed, just pure mechanical ingenuity. Using a high-tension spring, it delivers controlled force for both safety and efficiency. Unlike engine-powered splitters, this solution requires no fuel or maintenance, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to process wood. Ever wondered what goes into making top-tier cedar shingles? It all starts with premium cedar logs, carefully selected for durability and resilience. These logs are then split under immense pressure, ensuring a consistent grain that enhances longevity. Afterward, they're precisely shaved down to the perfect thickness, creating a smooth yet naturally textured surface. This isn't just a wood chipper, it's a powerhouse. Watch in awe as this beast devours branches, logs, and wood waste, transforming them into a massive 14 cubic meters of free firewood every hour. Power, efficiency, and savings, all in one machine. Whether you run a farm, a workshop, or just want to slash heating costs this season, this machine is your ultimate solution. Engineered with precision, this homemade firewood splitter boasts a robust motor and a high-speed splitting mechanism. Unlike traditional manual methods, it ensures consistent cuts, reducing strain and increasing output. Whether for home heating or commercial use, this machine optimizes efficiency, saving both time and energy. This is a handmade vertical log splitter that he built himself. It's an absolute beast, capable of splitting wood of various sizes effortlessly. Just clear any obstructions at the edges, and it powers through like a pro. The craftsmanship and ingenuity behind this machine are incredible. It's not just functional, but a true showcase of skill and innovation.